Action.
Oh, hey, I'm Fucci. Welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. Sorry for the informalities. We are in the middle of Thanksgiving and Chill Month, where we're making some of our trimmings and fixings in advance so that on Thanksgiving Day, we can actually give thanks and chill. Well, today we're making Cranberry Relish. Now this is a great combination of fresh fruit that pairs perfectly with your Thanksgiving Day bird. Plus, it makes a great topping for those leftover turkey sandwiches. But the best part is that it takes less than 5 minutes to make, which means you've got more time to bring it. Gobble gobble. So what you're gonna need is cranberries, an orange, an apple, sugar, crushed pineapple, and Grand Marnier, which is optional. You'll also need a tiny kitchen food processor, a melon baller, which is optional, and a sharp knife. Yep, that was fun and cool. When you were a kid, I remember all these little ridges slicing along them just to make sure I had the perfectly sized cranberry sauce. Well, unfortunately, these days, cranberry sauce to me is just overly sweet. It's got a ton of corn syrup. So here on Tiny Kitchen Big Taste, we're making a healthy alternative. More fruit, less sugar, and you can make it the day before so that on Thanksgiving Day, you can just relax. Now, Fucci family traditions are pretty much darn impossible to change, especially when food is involved, unless that food is amazing, and that's exactly what happened in this case. My friend Roseanne was joining us for Thanksgiving dinner, and she made her cranberry relish. Well, every single Thanksgiving dinner since that day, it's been out with the can, in with Roseanne and her recipe for cranberry relish. So tasty and super stinking simple to make. We're gonna get started by cutting up our orange. And then I'm going to cut them into little soccer slices. I call them soccer slices because these were the little wedges of oranges we would get at the soccer games during halftime. It just reminds me of being a kid. And then they make them just a little bit easier to peel too. Then we're just going to slice these in half, make them a little bit easier to cut up in the food processor. And then I will throw them in. Next, we're going to slice our apple in half. And if you do have one of these handy dandy little melon ballers, I just like to take out the core this way and then cut a couple of little wedges. Then we're just going to cut these into wedges, cut them in half, and throw them in. And then we're going to add some crushed pineapple. This I just get out of the can and I drain out some of the juice. We'll throw that in, give it a little bit of a mix. Now next I'm going to add the cranberries. These are actually fresh cranberries that I just get at the regular grocery store. They're available in the vegetable section. We will throw those in. They are seasonal, so sometimes they're only available during the winter months. Then I'm going to add some sugar. Now you can adjust the sugar to your liking. Then we're going to blend it up one more time. All right, we're going to give it a look. Now you just wanted a nice rough chop. Now that is perfect. Give it a little taste to see if it has enough sugar. Right on. I'm gonna finish it off with a little Grand Marnier. Now Grand Marnier is an orange liqueur. It's actually like a cognac brandy that's infused with orange. Fantastic, and it really wakes up this cranberry relish. Just a touch. By all means though, you can keep it out if you don't wanna add alcohol to this recipe. We'll give it another final blend. And we'll plate it up. So check this out. Did I not tell you? So super simple to make, and look at that. It adds so much more to that traditional holiday fare. Go get the recipe for this. It's available on our website. You can also check us out at Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And when you try this recipe, please let us know about it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Until next time, I'm Fucci reminding you that if I can make cranberry relish in a kitchen this tiny, you can make it in yours. We'll see you next time on Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. Thanksgiving and chill. Yum! Let us know about it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Until next time, I'm Fucci reminding you that I'm not doing anything with my hands, and this is ordinarily the time that I would.